Hello my viewers. Well, I got a big pile of junk here again. Needs to be hauled away. I've been doing some demolition on the inside of my camper. See, I tore out the old water heater, and this is the gas furnace, and this down here is actually the gas stove and oven right down there. I've decided that some of these appliances are too old to really reuse, especially the gas one. So, and by the way, there's the microwave. I took that out. I might keep that and reuse that. But anyway, so I tore all that out. Okay, and the only thing I've kept so far are these cabinets that you see here. Now, as I've been tearing apart some of these walls here, you know, digging into the wiring and everything, I found that the insulation here is, you know, been more like a, I don't know, a suggestion rather than kind of a requirement. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to build this wall out. Okay, so you're like right now it's an inch or a 2-inch right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build it out to where I have a total of 4 inches, so I can put in the that much insulation, and really make sure that this camper is going to be well insulated. And now down here is where all my wiring comes in for the outside lights, like you know, left turn signal, right turn signal, all that kind of thing. And that is the only type of wiring I'm going to leave inside the wall. See, now, as you can see, like right here from the inside, you can see that this is a light, one of my running lights right here, and this wiring will stay inside the wall. And I'm taking out all the 120 volt wire, because I'm going to run that all in wire mold. I want it to be all in wire mold. And then the 12 volt part of the system, I'm going to run that in wire mold as well, instead of having it all inside the wall. Because, you know, if you have a problem with your wiring or something like that, I mean, it's crazy to try to fix it when everything's inside the wall. So that's why I've chosen to put everything in wire mold. But anyway, that's the future plan. Right now I'm just tearing out these walls so I can build it out to 4 inches thick of insulation, and then I'll put Luan back on it. So I've kept some of these cabinets here that I like, and so what I'm going to do is I'll rebuild these cabinets in an area that I'm going to designate as a kitchen, which will probably be right over in here. Here's the refrigerator I got out of there. And the refrigerator does work. It works very well. So I believe I'm going to keep it. And so yeah, but everything else here is pretty much got to go, so I can put in the right amount of insulation. So that's what's going on the inside. Not much going on in here in the back end anyway. I'm just kind of using it to store more cabinets that I took out, that I think I'll rebuild back in this way. I got a lot of trash here and everything to clean up, but that's how these projects are. Let me get up on the roof here. Now, remember, I was redoing the roof, and which I did. Right now I don't have the UV protectant what's called maximum stretch. I don't have that on here yet because they sent me the wrong stuff. They sent me the tan color and I wanted the cool white. And cool white I wanted because I'm doing this for energy efficiency as well as to keep the water out. So that's where that is. And of course I've got the flashing here all in place now, okay, and all sealed up really good all the way around the camper. And I'm waiting on the cool white, so when I get the cool white I can finally finish this part of the project. Now see, this is where some of these holes here, I went ahead and put some, see, I covered up these holes where the refrigerator and the gas furnace, which was down there, and then over here was the water heater. I went ahead and just covered up those holes. By the way, the microwave exhaust was right up there. So I'm just going to leave it like this until I get the cool white, and then I'll go ahead and seal around it a lot better. So, well, still, that's where I'm at. Thank you.